Hello guys, in this video I wanted to show you how to create a community server on Discord. So firstly open Discord. Now click here, then click on server settings. Now in this left side panel you will see option enable community underneath community section. So click here. Now you will see are you building a community? Convert your server to a community server to access additional administrative tools that can better help you moderate, run and grow your server. So click on get started. Let's set up your community server. First, safety checks. Keep your community safe. To ensure user safety, community server must have the following moderation settings enabled. So verified email required and scan media content from all members. Then click on next. Setting up the basics. So now select rules or guidelines for channel. Community update channel. Select general, clips and highlights. Then click on next. Finishing touches. One last step. You are almost there. Here are some suggestions to help create a better experience for your members. So select I agree and understand. Then click on finish setup. So now your server is now a community server. So like this guys, you can enable and create community server on Discord. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.